Hey everybody, how's it going? It is your man Daniel Wiafe coming at you from my office in Las Vegas, and I hope that you guys are doing well today. Okay, so I'm going to talk today about doing a letter of intent and even presenting multiple options to your sellers. Okay, and the reason why we present multiple options to our sellers, you guys, is just because it makes it a lot easier to negotiate, okay? Because you're giving your sellers a small number of options to choose from. And when you give your sellers or clientele in any realm of business you do a small number of options, and I'm talking about 2 or 3 options, and you tell them, hey, pick the best one, usually that puts them in the mindset of having to choose something, okay? Because most people, rather than them saying no, they're going to choose one of the options that you present to them, okay? But before we jump into that, you guys, I want y'all to do a few things for me. I want you to go ahead and like this video. And number 2, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And number 3, I want you to go ahead and comment in the comments area and let me know what your name is and what market you are in, okay? So when we're talking about presenting multiple options, you guys, the way it's taught for the most part when you're giving options to sellers is to just give them one option, okay? So you go, you see the property and you're wholesaling and you're like, okay, the ARV is $200,000. ARV means after repair value, and it needs approximately $40,000 worth of work. You got to take your 60% times the ARV of 200,000, which is going to leave you with $120,000. And I believe we said $50,000 worth of work. So 120 minus $50,000, okay? And that puts you at around $70,000. And then you got to factor in the amount of money that you want to make. And let's say you put that at $10,000 for your assignment fee, and that leaves you with $60,000, okay? And that's the offer that you give to the seller, okay? Now, you guys, I didn't write these numbers down, so if I messed up on the calculations doing it in my head, don't be all trying to internet bully me, okay? Talk about me, all right? Don't have a calculator in my hand, or I'm not writing it down, okay? So that would be the option that a typical wholesaler would give to their seller, okay? They would say, hey, Mary, John, this is my offer. Let's play ball, okay? And at that point, what is Mary and John going to say? They're either going to say yes or they're going to say no, okay? If they say no, you're going to be like, okay, well, how close can you get to it, okay? Rather than going that route, you guys, another option that you can do is you can give them a letter of intent, okay? And you can put 2 to 3 different options, okay? No less than 2 and then no more than 3. You don't want to give them too many options, okay? And what you're doing is you're giving them different options on you purchasing their property, okay? So for example, and I teach this to my students that are in my academy. If you want to join my academy, make sure you go to houseflippingdojo.com, houseflippingdojo.com. I actually have a special promotion that I'm running for new students that are jumping into my 12-month program, okay? So, but anyways, let's say that you give them 2 options, okay? So you say the wholesale option is $60,000 and we'll buy your property quickly. And then the lease option offer is we'll give you 100,000 or 120,000, okay? Let's say 120,000, okay? And so basically the way you would do that, you guys, and the way you would present it, because it's all in how you say it and the words that you use, okay? Remember, if all you remember is one thing from this video, you guys, remember this, okay? It's all in how you say it and you present it, okay? And when you're presenting these things, you guys, you gotta have confidence. You just gotta wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, and just go in there like a tiger, okay? Don't be all just stuttering and, you know, kind of talking all meek and all quiet and all this and that, you know. Gotta have some bass in your voice, okay? Even you ladies that are watching this who are out there going to your sellers and your homeowners, you gotta have a little bit of bass in your voice, okay? Maybe not as deep as mine, but, you know, lower the octave in your voice a little bit, okay? And so the way you would present it, you guys, if you have a $60,000 wholesale deal price and a $120,000 lease option price, is you would state the following. You would say, Jim, the way we typically do business to make sure that it's a win-win for both parties. So we definitely want it to be a win for you, and it has to be a win for us, obviously. Okay, is we need to agree on either price or terms, or preferably both. Okay, if we can do one or the other, then it's a win-win situation. Okay, so I actually have two offers. I'm going to show it to you, and you tell me which works the best for you. Sound good? Sounds good. All right, you shake his hand, okay? You shake their hand because you put them in a mindset of agreement, okay? You want them to be saying yes, and you want them to be making small agreements, okay? That works wonders in you getting what you want, okay? And so basically, you present the wholesale option, okay? And you state that basically, we can go by your terms, John, which is you need your money now, okay? And right now, I can give you a lump sum of $60,000, okay? This is for us to buy it in as is condition. We're gonna purchase the property. You're not gonna have to pay any closing costs. You're not gonna have to pay any repair costs, and we're gonna make things nice and simple for you, Jim, okay? So that's option one. Option number two is we're going to get closer to your price. Okay. So we're going to agree to your price, Jim, but you just have to be able to agree to our terms. Okay. Meaning that we're going to give you $5,000 down. Okay. And you'll need to carry the remainder of the balance, the $115,000. You'll have to carry that for the next 36 months. Okay. And then at the end of the 36 months, during the 36 months, we're going to be making payments to you on a monthly basis. And at the end, we're going to get you the remainder of the balance that's due, okay, as a lump sum. So, Jim, which option works the best for you? And then at that point, you just shut the hell up, okay? And look, you guys, many of us lose out on deals and we don't make as much money as we should make because we haven't learned the fine art of shutting the hell up. Okay, if you shut the hell up, then you can you can open up a lot of doors of money flowing in your life. Okay, so be quiet. Don't overtalk them. Let them think about it and let them decide. And more chances or not, they're going to say option two works or option one works. Okay, or explain this option. Okay, very rarely will they say no. Okay, and yeah, they'll say no. You know, there'll be people that say no, but it's not going to happen as often as you would think. Okay, so hope this helps somebody. Okay, make sure you guys get out there and use this. Don't just be watching these videos that I have on my YouTube channel and like not applying them. Okay, I want you guys to apply these videos. I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to be emailing me and telling me, hey, Daniel, we love you and your chocolate bald head. You gave us all this excellent content and information, and I made a ton of money with it. I want to hear that, okay? For those of you guys who are struggling with doing your first deal, maybe you're new to real estate investing, you're new to wholesaling, you don't know how to get started, you're looking for a mentor, you're looking for a coach, you need a real estate program, okay? I'm your man, all right? I want you guys to go to houseflippingdojo.com/apply, okay? houseflippingdojo.com/apply and apply to join my 12-month academy, okay? And I would love to work with everyone who is able to move forward. So just go there right now, okay? So houseflippingdojo.com/apply, all right? And if you have any questions whatsoever, you guys please feel free to leave a comment in the comments area. All right. So until next time, y'all, peace and God bless.